Hello everyone, my name is Danielle. I love creating beautiful spaces on a budget, and I do that by going thrifting, making DIYs, and taking occasional trips to Homegoods. In today's video, we are going to take a fun trip over to Homegoods. This week, I searched high-end websites like Arhaus, Crate & Barrel, and Restoration Hardware to find some inspiration. Most high-end stores are not within my budget, so I love going on the hunt to find high-end dupes, and Homegoods did not disappoint this week. So let's get started. Our Homegoods carries the most random and unique items, and I had to show you what they had this week. Let me know the most unique and craziest thing you've seen at your Homegoods. These chairs were my favorite find on this particular day. They are stunning, and the beautiful ash wood color will add a nice organic feel to any space. The upholstery on this chair is also a beautiful neutral color. These are an exact dupe for the Rodin chairs from Arhaus. Their price at Arhaus is $1,150, and at Homegoods they are only $200. The design on the back, no words. I saw another Arhaus dupe. This cream bench is $1,299 at Arhaus and is only $200 at Homegoods. They are different fabrics though. The fabric on the Arhaus bench is a boucle fabric, which in my opinion would be more difficult to clean compared to the fabric on the bench at Homegoods. This style of chair is beautiful and is really on trend right now. The thing about this chair is that it's also timeless and can be a staple for many years to come. I thought this couch was such a great deal. It was a deep couch and extremely comfortable. This side table is comparable to the one that I saw online at Birch Lane for $400. This one at Homegoods was only $40. I'm not sure why none of them had the tops though. This coffee table is absolutely beautiful. I love the unique designs on the legs of the table. This is such a unique piece. It would be a great entry table. I love the mid-century modern vibe of this sideboard. It looks similar to the one at All Modern, minus the handles. I prefer the one at Homegoods though. I don't like that the wood grain on the doors of the All Modern one is horizontal. The arch detail on this shelving unit is beautiful and sleek. The arch detail is similar to the one at Arhaus, but at Homegoods it's so much cheaper. Now onto the pillow section. If I bring another pillow home, my husband is going to go crazy. I love pillows and I cannot get enough. The design of these two pillows remind me of Ralph Lauren's distinct image and aesthetic. What do you think? I've had really great luck purchasing throw blankets at thrift stores that are in like new condition over the years, so that is usually my go-to, but Homegoods has really great options as well. This throw at Pottery Barn is made of the same fabric but is extremely thin and not worth the price in my opinion. I love the rich brown color and pattern on this throw. This throw is so soft and cozy. It's definitely a great blanket for these winter months. A similar one at Crate & Barrel is $150 and this one is only $35. Woven lamps like this have become extremely popular these past couple of years. This was on sale for $79. They can be extremely pricey, but if you shop around, you can definitely find cheaper options. I do love the shape, size, and color of this one from Homegoods. This lamp wouldn't fit into our home's decor aesthetic, but as soon as I saw it, I immediately thought Mackenzie Childs. Mackenzie Childs carries a variety of items, but most people know them for their beautiful tea kettles. This lamp reminds me of their honeycomb collection, so I had to include it in today's video. If you are a collector of Mackenzie Childs items, this could be a great dupe to add to your collection. A lot of us have been appreciating more of a vintage style, and these lamps are very fitting if you're into that look. The scalloped lamp in the back is also beautiful, and that color is so stunning. In addition to their lamps, Homegoods also sells really great lampshades on their own. I love anything with a scalloped detail, and these lampshades are right up my alley. Homegoods has so many great options for mirrors. Sometimes I feel like they can be overpriced for Homegoods, but overall I feel like they have really great options in a great variety, sizes, colors, and textures. I love the beaded detail and the black color on this mirror. This piece of art was really interesting. When I got home, I did some research, and the retail price is about $300. It was only $130 at Homegoods. I love this art piece as well. Similar ones can cost upwards of $600, but at Homegoods it was $60. This rug is stunning. It has such a timeless design that can fit into most, if not all, spaces. I don't know what's happening, but I've really been into horse decor pieces lately. The colors and rib detail on this onyx bowl is beautiful. It reminded me of this onyx candle at CB2. It was only $40. This marble bowl was priced really well considering the size. It was about 14 inches wide. It was $60, which is a great price considering high-end stores and their price for this similar item. Also, random side note, if you've ever wondered how to tell the difference between onyx and marble, onyx is transparent and marble is not. For the longest time, I called onyx marble, so I thought I'd just share that random fact. These leather trays would be great for jewelry, desk supplies, keys, wallets, many things. This tray is so beautiful. It would look great if your home has a cottagey feel. This lotion and soap dispenser really caught my eye. I love the stone texture of them. I saw this gold tray above the dispensers and thought they paired really well together. I love Homegoods glassware section. There is always such a large variety of styles to fit anyone's taste. I thought the detail in these glasses were absolutely stunning. As I've mentioned in previous videos, I not only use glassware for drinking, but I also use them as candle holders. Using them as candle holders, especially ones with details like this, can add such an elegant touch to any space. When we moved to New York from California last year, I sold most of our serving dishes and have been keeping my eye out for ones to replace them. I prefer all white because it's neutral and I don't have to worry about colors clashing throughout the seasons. I love the options at HomeGoods, but honestly I prefer to thrift serving dishes because it's only a few dollars for each piece and there's always such a huge variety at thrift stores. HomeGoods has such a great selection of florals and greenery. Their shelves are packed with arrangements and stems for the spring already. I love this floral arrangement because the buds look like they haven't bloomed yet, which I think is perfect for the season that we're currently in. This wreath is gorgeous, especially the way the twigs intertwined. I love the wild and whimsical look of these flowers. However, I did not like the material. It was some sort of foam which made them look extremely unrealistic. Now onto what I purchased. I purchased this lavender floral arrangement for the springtime. It looks so realistic and I can't wait to style this in our home in a few months. Unlike most people, I actually don't like the smell of lavender, so I'm glad that I found this beautiful faux arrangement that looks realistic. Let me know if you're like me and don't like the smell of lavender. I also picked up this beautiful wooden frame. I love the shape and color. I currently don't have a print for it yet. I do want to step out of my comfort zone this year and include more vibrant colors throughout our home, especially when it comes to art. Here are a couple of artists that my husband and I have recently found and love, so I'll definitely update you in a later video once we decide what we want to purchase. This wooden bowl is another find from HomeGoods. I'm also including these bowl fillers that I picked up as well. I absolutely love the variation in color on these and love that they look realistic. I quickly want to point out this arrangement to the left. I purchased this at TJ Maxx a few weeks ago after Christmas. The original price was $60, and since I purchased it after Christmas, I got it on sale for $20. I love the different types of greenery and how full it is. I will definitely keep this up for the remainder of the winter months. This year, my goal is to create a gallery wall like these inspo images with beautiful vintage and wooden frames, so I am beginning to collect some pieces. I picked up these 4 frames from HomeGoods on the left and found 2 vintage frames that are on the right at a thrift store recently. I love the chocolate velvet frame. When I've collected all the frames, I'll definitely show you how it all turns out. That's all I have for you today. I truly enjoy making these HomeGoods videos for you and I hope that you enjoyed it as well. Let me know in the comments below which of these items was your favorite. I cannot get these chairs off my mind. They were definitely my favorite item on this shopping trip. I also love DIYing and finding high-end dupes for less while thrifting. So if that's something you're interested in, feel free to check out my other videos. I hope that you enjoy the rest of your day and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.